hope you've had a great Monday so far, enjoying the warmth, because we're not going to get much more of that for the rest of the week. This is certainly going to be the warmest day of the week. We do have a cold front coming tonight, which is going to lead to the chance for a couple of isolated thunderstorms, and some of those could be strong to severe with damaging winds, and the time frame from that roughly looks to be about 6 or 7 p.m. to about midnight to 1 a.m. Behind this cold front is much cooler air and still continually breezy conditions Tuesday through Friday. We're talking high temperatures in the 50s, but it should be mainly dry, and the best chance for some widespread frost. Yes, we're not quite done with that yet either. That comes on Thursday morning. Looking at our severe weather risk today, the marginal risk in green, which is what most of us are under, is just for the potential of some briefly strong thunderstorms, but we do have a level 2 slight risk across the Indiana state line, and that's where we could see maybe from 10 p.m. to midnight some of those stronger storms capable of 60-mile-an-hour winds or even some small hail. Currently it is dry. Temperatures are in the 70s for almost everybody. It is so warm compared to yesterday. Muskegon at 68 is one of the cool spots, but if that's the cool spot, we will take it. It is very breezy out there, though. Our wind is coming from the southwest at about 15 to 25 miles an hour, and our cold front is still back into the UP in Wisconsin, but I want you to look at some of these storms that are forming in eastern Iowa and now western Illinois. Those are the ones that could eventually track towards us over the next several hours, so nothing to worry about at the moment, but something that I'm keeping my eye on. Fast forwarding to around 7 p.m., a few of these thunderstorms towards 94 could be briefly strong to severe, and then we'll have another round of storms associated with the front itself coming right around 9 or 10 p.m. off the lakeshore. These ones could also have heavy rain and some brief gusty winds along with hail, but it looks like as they push through West Michigan, they will likely diminish in strength. The one caveat to that is across southwest lower Michigan right around midnight. This is in that slight risk area, and it looks like we could get a little bit of a bump in intensity at that point in time, but still gusty winds, briefly strong to severe is the only thing that I'm concerned about at the moment. Into early tomorrow morning, we'll still have a few lingering showers on the backside of this cold front, but we will definitely not be dealing with any severe weather after today. In fact, it's going to drop down into the 40s tonight, and the wind will be switching from the southwest to the northwest behind the front, and then we're going to be pulling in some continually cooler air. There's a big upper low kind of swirling around the Great Lakes and into the Hudson Bay area, and that's leading to our cooler than average temperatures through the rest of the week. 57 tomorrow, 55 Wednesday, 54 for Thursday. It is going to be pretty quiet. We don't have many significant rain chances coming down the pike in the next several days, but can't rule out a shower tomorrow afternoon, especially south and east along the stalled front. But the 50s and generally quiet weather is what the rest of our week is characterized with. The coldest morning will be Thursday morning at around 36, and that's why frost could be possible.